Friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on CDW Corporation stock. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock before an upside rally gets started. This stock is already trading near to an important resistance level, and that level also been broken out, along with that multiple positive factors which has been already been materialized, that would allowed us to capitalize and capitalize and buy positions before a massive upside rally get trigger on this stock. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, you'll be able to witness that this was a top where the correction was started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with back-to-back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows, third, and the last lower lows over here. And the movement this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections. Here we got a two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections and it's ready for an upside move. And my dear friends, we will now discuss the third positive signal. If you place an RSI indicator, you will be able to witness a positive diversion. If you'll compare the RSI with the price actions, you will be able to see the positive diversion over here. The price action lower low swing is tilted on the downside, and the RSI swing has been tilted on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout, and this positive diversions will going to pump an upside rally on the stock. And my dear friends, here we will see the positive chart pattern. If we'll make a closer look over here, we are getting a clear cut and parallel channel breakout. If you'll see over here, if you could see here you will be identify the parallel channel got broken out, and this is a neckline. This is a neckline, and my dear friends, this parallel channel, it's not a small channel. It's, this parallel channel is consist of 7 to 8%. So the stock has already broken from this neckline, which was an important resistance, and as soon as it starts a sustained upside move, the stock will going to give you an 8% rally immediately. Now the ultimate target will be $200. Very soon you will be able to see the stock will be crossing $200 very soon. And my dear friends, now we will discuss for the stop loss. For stop loss, there are multiple options over here. You can keep in stop loss near, just near to a lower swing, or you can keep the stop loss below the breakout candle, or you can also use an ATR for the stop loss. And my dear friends, I also want to update you that this neckline will be now acting as an important support, because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have seen the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have witnessed the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI indicator. And this is an area where we have seen the parallel channel get broken out. So with all these positive factors, this area of neckline earlier was in resistance, now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And this is it. If you like my video or if you like my analysis, please give thumbs up to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you my dear friends. Bye bye.